So one of my followers asked me to draw Karate Kid. So let's draw. Start with the stick drawing. To all the beginners, I want to say stick drawing is very essential if you want to master the sketching. We will start with the head position. Now we will make the arm and the upper body. Now we will come to the midsection. In the midsection, we will draw the abs as it's a karate player. Now we will add the lower position and we will do the hatching to enhance its beauty. Then we will add the hairs that we left earlier. We will add the legs and we'll do the hatching as we have done earlier to enhance its beauty. Then comes to the second leg, which is in the fighting posture. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and I will be waiting for your comments, and please let me know what you want me to draw next.